Stress is defined as the inability to adapt to a changing environment. The inability to adapt to a changing environment. If your environment is changing and you cannot adapt to that, then you're going to be stressed, because what you perceive as the environment you want it to be and what it actually is are two different things. And the level of the stress, the level of the tension is going to be the difference between what you want it to be and what it really is. Yeah? What the actuality of life is and what your reality, what you think it should be, what you think it should be, ought to be. If you're having a conflict, if something's going on, come back to heart, come back to self, and answer the first question, what is it that I want? And then you can then see what the universe wants, or what people around you want. Because if we suck in and subordinate to what everybody else wants in our relationships, in our health, in our finances, in our practices, in our patience, then you're going to be sidetracked by that thing and there'll be nothing for you. Depression is a comparison of your current reality to some fantasy idea, and that fantasy idea doesn't have any drawbacks. I'm going to say it again. Depression is a comparison of your current reality to some fantasy idea or some fantasy reality, and that reality doesn't have any drawbacks. And the level of the fantasy is going to be the level of the depression that you have when you're comparing your life, what it is now, to what your life could have been. So what your life ought to be, whether it's in the past or the present or the future, you're comparing it to that, and the level of the difference is going to be the level of the depression that you're going to have. Yes? Level of the difference to what your life, you thought you might be financially free by now, you thought you might have a husband, boyfriend, girlfriend by now, you thought you'd be married and have kids, you thought you might have several houses, you thought you'd have a practice. And if that is your idea and you're not setting goals according to that, you're going to have an unrealistic expectation on self, and you're going to be delusional, and you're going to have ABCDs of negativity.